Ava. Kayla. What's up, guys?
Okay,
This is a squishy video.
Okay, I'll start with mine. This is gonna be my first one. I'll squish it.
Don't. That's not gonna help. So, as you guys can see, it's super slow rising and soft.
Yeah.
Smell-o-vision.
That's my thing.
Doesn't it smell like blueberries?
A little bit. I like this one.
Like, go put it down.
And it's notched.
I said the next one is a unicorn. It has a little air bubble right here that I just did
Wait, where?
on its paw.
Oh.
Okay, they get it now. They get it.
So this is bread. Look
I got that from
inside.
Amazon.
This is like, you don't have to say where you got them off.
Oh yeah, by the way, I got that elephant and unicorn for my birthday today.
It's summer. Sorry.
Next one is this tofu. Well, this is like a squishy collection.
Well, I gave her more because it's her birthday. Well, I gave her like one more because there's only...
Yeah.
Okay, my next one is like this.
It's kind of dense.
It's like broken up.
Yeah, I kind of ripped it. This next one is from the dollar store.
I got mine from the dollar store too.
Yeah, so it's this tennis ball. I got it at Dollar Tree.
Then I got this one. This ball. Dollar Tree as well.
They were in a pack together. So the next two that I have is this homemade egg that my friend made me.
Hurry up because of these and stuff.
And then this best friends thing.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our squishy collection. Shout out to Descendants 2.
I would rather watch Descendants 2 more than 1. And there is a
Like,
comment,
3,
subscribe, coming.
share. Kayla. So,
And my favorite character is Evie.
my favorite character in the second one is Uma. And no, Dizzy. Dizzy on the
Dizzy,
right.
I love Dizzy.
So, Dizzy, Evie, and Uma. So, peace.